We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.